Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from DOOGEE S80 to an Android device. First of all, access Play Store on both of them and click on the search bar. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now choose I accept. Click on Confirm, Continue and finally Allow. Then go with Receive on an Android and Send on DOOGEE. Now click on all of those dots, choose Send and send all of your files. But it will take a lot of time, so I will only go with this one photo. Click on Send and select Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android. Then select Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, tap on Continue, select in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!